Hello fierce loves, so for this video I am going to create tiger makeup. This might be something that you can also use for Halloween makeup and to do on kids. So first, the items that you're going to be needing is face paint and some paint brushes. So I also even have my watercolor brushes here, and then of course some are my makeup brushes. And you don't have to worry if you do not have this face paint items, because I can help you and I can teach you a DIY wherein all you need is something to mix the colors in, foundation, your setting sprays, and a colorful eyeshadow palette. Let's get started. This is the inspiration for this tiger makeup look, and I'm going to outline first my face, just like sketching it, and then now I'm going to show you how to do a DIY if you don't have face paint. So grab a palette, toothbrush, and then scrape a little bit on the top, use your foundation, and then just mix it, and then instant face paint. Now I'm going to put on the face paint onto my face right here, and just a little bit of browns on the sides, and then in the middle it's a much more orangey look, and then I'm putting some yellow on top. I did about the same thing, mix the foundation with the eyeshadow. Here is a white face paint for around the eyes, and then for the mouth of the tiger, and of course I'm also coloring my lashes white. Now grabbing the excess from the palette, I'm just contouring and also adding some shadows onto my chest or to my neck, just like this. And then I'm going to use this kids face paint, actually, the black one, to draw a little bit around or near the tiger's eye, and of course to shape the tiger's nose up to the mouth. Now drawing the tiger's nose with the black ink also, or the black face paint. The brown shade here on the face paint, I'm going to contour the tiger's nose a little bit over my natural nose, so it will be a little bit whiter, just like the tiger's nose. Now using the flesh color, I'm going to paint that on top of the nose, so we have like a natural tiger nose look. Now drawing the tiger's stripes, and I'm just sketching it a little bit with this black paint or face paint, and also I'm gonna go over it later on to make it a little bit more darker. So this is the first ply. To tell you honestly, I did this about 3 plies just to make the color much more intense and looks much more natural. Now adding some white fur details onto the mouth part, right beside the nose, and of course on the forehead also, on the eye part too, and then underneath the eyes We want the natural white fur right there. And adding a little bit on top of the nose also. And now I'm going to proceed onto adding more of the black furry stripes of the tiger. I went overboard with this one and put quite a lot on the face. But you can put a little or as much as you want it, depending on how you want your tiger stripes to be. Now as you see, I am adding the white fur onto my face. A little bit more white details. And then also to my neck, which is like an extended fur of the tiger. Now I'm drawing on the whiskers of the tiger. And they have whiskers around the mouth and also on the eye part. So yeah, there you go. And now we are proceeding to the body paint, mostly from the neck to the upper part of the chest. And I just grab the face paint, just like so, the brown one, mixing it with some oranges. Also grab the eyeshadow, mix the browns, different shades of browns, different shades of yellows and oranges, and now adding more black stripes or furry stripes onto my body. Very inspired by the tiger stripes. And now for the last part, the eyes. You thought I'm gonna wear contact lens? No, I would love to draw it instead. So I'm using the yellow body paint. I'm drawing it. You can also use your eyeshadow, yellow eyeshadow, and then I'm just adding some green details right here. And now the black one for the pupil, just like so. And then a little bit specks of white to make it seem like it's a natural tiger eye. And then adding more of that white furry details, also the black furry details around the eyes. And this is the final look. When my cat saw me, he thought that I was a real big cat and I'm the enemy. So it's a cat approved. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And please go ahead and check out all my Filipina Beauty Sisters who made the look, 12 of us. Check out all the links on my description under the comments section down below. See you in my next video. Remember to stay fierce and fly high.